Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, 120 film, reversal film, and I have this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Used filter called Find Edges, and actually I made some, that was I guess watercolor type image last year, almost a year ago. This time I want to try some kind of pastel like light color image with this Fresco. Well, let's get started. I'm going to turn this pencil drawing type image off, and okay, I'm gonna duplicate this layer, and just one is turn it off to keep it. Then I'm gonna smudge this image first. Okay, using the smudge tool this time. Fresco, the smudge tool is real nice, interesting. This time dry media to pastel like. Okay, want to try pastel type illustration this time, so I'm going to use all dry media to pastel square. Okay, let's go. Oops, that's right. Convert to pixel layer. I always forget. Okay, from outside, let's see. Let's check it out, this smudge tool. Well, kind of real soft, huh? Yeah, okay, I like this soft touch. Yeah, I like that. Well, go from outside. Now get used to it with this brush, the tool. Pastel square. Need to use lots of experience to get used to these brushes, tools. Yeah, that's very interesting. There's some hero. Oh, maybe this is... No, lighting is just side lit. It's not ring lighting or anything like that, but there is some shadows, huh? This background is huge canvas. Yeah, we are sharing a studio this time, and one of the guys is artist. Okay, let's get this pastel texture all over. Okay, models. Oh, you want to make a smaller size. Nice expression, isn't it? Good guy, good model. Alright, almost done for smudging. Right, now let's see, check the pencil drawing type image. Now I'm going to change the blend mode. Overlay is pretty impressive. Well, let's see overall. Yeah, how about the luminosity is much like illustration image, huh? hot light. This is kinda, I like this, yeah. I'm interested in 3 images to make. One is luminosity, color-wise, and hot light, and also overlay. Overlay gives more clean, sharp look, huh? Well, okay. Now I'm gonna make, first of all, get the colors from luminosity effect. 100%. Okay. Select multiple. This pencil drawing layer and the base image. Then I duplicate layers. Now merge selected to get one image. This one I change name. This one's a luminosity effect image. One layer, then I'm going to change again. Oh, I'm going to turn it off now, and I'm going to change luminosity to hot light, or well, use overlay image as a base. So why don't I make hot light, or let's see if I turn this pencil drawing type image off, then this is just normal image. Now I'm going to turn on this luminosity effect layer on, then change blend mode. I just want to check. Turn this luminosity effect layer down, turn it off. Then I'm going to turn on this pencil drawing type. Then change the blend mode to luminosity again. Now I see this color, right? Is that same thing on this? Yeah, just one layer then. Okay, I'm gonna multiply so color gets darker. Now if I change this base image, okay, I want to duplicate this luminosity image, luminosity effect image, double, just one darken colors. So I'm going to duplicate this layer, then one of the top, change blend mode, normal to multiply, then I'm going to march down. So I got pretty dark image on this layer, luminosity effect. Now I wanna, well, this is normal blend mode. Then I'm gonna check, turn this pencil drawing type image, turn it off. Then change this luminosity effect layer. Color gets so dark, reddish. Lighten screen. I kind of like this screen. Okay, I'm gonna, well, this luminosity effect layer double, one screen. Oh, this is cool. Hard light, a little more dark. Screen's real light. Okay, luminosity. Okay, I go luminosity image, then I'm gonna make mask, create empty mask, then invert mask. Now I'm gonna I'm going to decide the base image, which is I'm going to turn on this pencil drawing type image, then change this one to overlay. This one is real contrast, so punch. So I like this one to be about maybe 80%. Yeah, looks alright. This is the base image. Now I'm gonna reveal this luminosity effect layer. I changed the blend mode to light image on outside, so I'm gonna reveal this. Well, wait a minute. I can hide the opposite way. Yeah, just cut mask, and I'm gonna hide this one to show up overlay image. So I'm gonna create empty mask. Now I'm gonna hide with brush, dry media to pastel square, huh? I want to add some color too, blue color on this. Let's see how it's gonna show up. You see some. The change to color. Well, don't need to see much. It shows some models, yeah. Touch more. So choose pastel square and black. I think it's not that exciting yet. I want to do something exciting, something interesting. Well, I think it's kind of selecting reveal mask, not everything. Some part goes real dark. Some of them, like shadow area, I mask much more and keep darker contrast and stuff, but the other area not much masked yet, so I guess that's pretty good. I like that. Yeah, like this. Yeah, I think this is it for today. Well, I'm kinda, yeah, this mask is kinda point how much you're going to reveal or mask from the base image. And I don't add any colors, so I'm going to delete this layer. I don't add colors, no. This is it. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and well, see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.